All right, Melissa, still a powerful hurricane. It's gone from a Cat 5 to a Cat 4 as it continues to track north and east. Let me show you the satellite view. First, the wider view of the Caribbean right now. The storm itself making landfall late this morning on the far southwest side of the island, and the storm is right in here. We'll get a close-up look with our infrared satellite photo, and just an incredible structure to the storm. You can clearly see, in fact, I'll take you in even closer. The eye of the storm making landfall. Play it back one more time. Notice the well-defined eye starts to shrink, then almost disappear. It doesn't mean the storm has weakened significantly. It's just that the structure of the eye has changed since the storm has gone from water over to some rough land, moving back away from Montego Bay and back out over some warmer water. Second landfall for eastern Cuba later tonight and into tomorrow morning. Winds now at 150, still a powerful storm moving northeast at 8 miles per hour, and that motion will continue. Forecast takes it across Cuba overnight tonight, tomorrow morning. As we move ahead to Wednesday afternoon in the southern Bahamas, still is a formidable hurricane, and then continue to track north and east. We're going to stop right here. So here's southern New England. Storm is well offshore, but we have our own approaching weather system, and a strong one right in here approaching on Thursday. This is an area of low pressure and a strong front. So what will happen by Thursday evening, Thursday night, as this front comes through, some of the moisture excuse me, from Melissa, some tropical moisture, will try to get fed into the system. It doesn't mean Melissa's coming this way. It stays actually well offshore. But some of this moisture may get infused within this cold front. And bottom line, we're talking about very heavy rain, downpours, and some gusty wind. Again, a separate weather system Thursday evening and Thursday night. And then the whole system, along with Melissa, racing out into the North Atlantic. We dry out. This is Friday morning. Very windy on Friday, but a drier day. In the meantime, it's relatively quiet, gray skies. I don't expect a lot of rain now through tomorrow, but every now and then it's either some sprinkles or a little bit of drizzle speckled in here with cool temps right now, excuse me, in the upper 40s, looking at 48 now in Providence. You can see some elements of green along the south shore with some sprinkles. What we have is a storm system to our south. This is actually staying away. It's moving away, but it's helping to promote a northeasterly wind, which isn't a great wind direction. So it's throwing back the clouds and some moisture off the ocean in the form of just some sprinkles. So we keep that in the forecast overnight tonight and through tomorrow. So, I mean, tomorrow's not, by no means is tomorrow a stormy day, but it's mainly cloudy, it's cool, and every now and then either a little bit of drizzle or some sprinkles, especially along the coastline. Nothing too bad here. Tomorrow evening, just more of the same. Now, we move ahead to Thursday. The first half of the day is actually dry. In fact, 12 noon on Thursday, it is cloudy, breezy, and mild near 60. And then here comes the rain, and we're talking some downpours, some thunder, and some gusty wind. This is lining up with the late part of the evening commute on Thursday. Very stormy with downpours on Thursday night. Potential is there for 1 to 3 inches of rain. Out of here by Friday. It dries out for Halloween Friday. It remains very windy on Friday, but it's a dry day. Tomorrow morning, clouds other than occasional sprinkles, nothing more than that. It'll be a breezy and cool day. Temperatures during the afternoon not much higher than the lower 50s, and every now and then dodging a little bit of sprinkles and maybe a touch of drizzle, nothing more than that. Again, stormy for Thursday, but we're talking specifically Thursday evening, Thursday night. It is out of here by Friday. Halloween Friday looks very windy but dry. Trick-or-treating weather Friday evening looks okay but very windy. Weekend is nice, seasonably cool. Saturday and Sunday with dry weather with temperatures upper 50s to around 60.
All right, Tony.